Hello my dear friend, welcome to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can recover your Facebook account easy, so easy, step by step, like a piece of cake, okay? So the first thing you need to do is close your Facebook app, okay? Close because we won't use the Facebook app. You will need to access any browser, okay? You can access, for example, the Google Chrome browser, but you can open Safari, you can open Mozilla Firefox, and after that, you need to access this configuration. Tap in options of your browser, and you need to access a page, a incognito tab, new incognito tab. Okay, because in this kind of page it won't track any data so when you access this page you need to go in Google, so tap in search and write google.com and tap go. In these options you need to tap in search and you will write it Facebook support account. Okay, tap here in Facebook support account and it will show many options. You must to go in help center Facebook. Okay, tap in right here in help center and it will show this screen. This screen has many options to you click. You need to look in for the key, write in login and password and tap right here. When you tap in login and password it will show many options to you click and you need to click in these options right here. Fix a login problem. When you tap right here it will show many options. In this screen each options will depend for each person because each case is a case. So the best options to you click is scroll down until you find these options. If you can access the email or mobile number on the account you tap right here, but I'll tap right here because the most of people come here in this video is with this problems with resetting your Facebook password, and you need to tap right here in unable to reset password because of password reset limit. Tap right here and it will show these options and you need to tap in this blue options, recover your account. You will send for this page. This page is the recover account from Facebook. You need to follow this step by step, put in your mobile number. If your account isn't with your mobile number, you just need to tap in search by your email or name instead. So you need to put one of these options and go until the end. After these options, Facebook will ask some options to you answer, and each answer is different for each person, but this is finally method to recover your account. Listen carefully. If this step-by-step works, don't forget, leave a comment down here. Oh, thank you, it works. If this step-by-step doesn't work, comment two things: the mark and the model of your phone and what happened, because here we bring all tutorials for you about your comment. So subscribe at this channel, leave a like and watch it all video again. Thank you my dear friend, I hope I help you. Until the next video and see ya.